Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your DOOGEE V Max louder. So in the first step you have to open the Play Store, then go to the search bar and look for the volume app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the volume booster GOOGEE. Now click yes, agree or no thank you 3 times and choose the close window. Tap into OK and the tool is active. Now you can boost your volume power by this little slider. You can increase and decrease that here. The 60% is max, so just add you see it in your needs. And if you go back, the tool is still active. If you turn off this app from the background apps, the tool is still active. So if you want to turn it off, you have to open the app from the home screen and choose stop service. Tap OK, and that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.